Make a classic apple pie. 2½ cups all-purpose flour. 1 tsp salt. 1 tsp sugar. 1 cup 2 sticks cold unsalted butter, cubed. 8 tbsp ice water. 8 medium apples, Granny Smith, Honeycrisp, or a mix, peeled, cored, and sliced. 3/4 cup granulated sugar. 1/4 cup light brown sugar. 2 tbsp all-purpose flour. 1 tsp cinnamon. 1/4 tsp nutmeg, optional. 1 tbsp lemon juice. 1/4 tsp salt. 2 tbsp unsalted butter for topping. 1 egg beaten for egg wash. 1 tbsp granulated sugar for sprinkling. In a large bowl, mix the flour, salt, and sugar. Add the cold butter cubes and use a pastry cutter or your fingers to cut the butter into the flour until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually add ice water, 1 tablespoon at a time, mixing just until the dough holds together. Do not overwork. Divide the dough into 2 discs, wrap in plastic wrap, and chill in the fridge for at least 1 hour. In a large bowl, combine the sliced apples, granulated sugar, brown sugar, flour, cinnamon, nutmeg, if using, lemon juice, and salt. Toss to coat the apples evenly. Let sit for 10 minutes. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Roll out 1 dough disc on a floured surface into a 12-inch circle. Place it into a 9-inch pie dish, pressing gently to fit. Trim any overhanging dough. Pour the apple filling into the crust and dot the top with small pieces of butter. Roll out the second dough disc and place it over the apples. Trim the excess and seal the edges by crimping with a fork or your fingers. Cut a few slits in the top crust to allow steam to escape. Brush the crust with the beaten egg and sprinkle with sugar for a golden finish. Place the pie on a baking sheet to catch any drips. Bake for 50-60 minutes or until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbling. If the crust starts browning too quickly, cover the edges with aluminum foil during the last 15 minutes. Let the pie cool for at least 2 hours before slicing. Serve warm or at room temperature, optionally with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or whipped cream.